Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about approximations. Okay, students. Right now the 1 plus x whole power n is the expansion 1 plus nx n into n minus 1 into 1 into 2 x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into 1 into 2 into 3 x cube. So students, right now neglecting then 1 plus x whole power n approximately equal to okay students, neglecting and approximately equal to. So dear students, now this is neglecting and 1 plus x whole power n approximately equal to. Dear students, the first we are neglecting x square and higher power of x. What is the students? X square and higher power of x. Dear students, neglecting and x square and higher power of x, then 1 plus x whole power n is approximately equal to 1 plus nx. Suppose students, neglecting x cube and higher power of x, that means, dear students, the 1 plus nx n into n minus 1 into 2 x square. Okay students, neglecting x cube and x power 4 and higher power of x, then approximately equal to the 1 plus x whole power n approximately equal to 1 plus nx n into n minus 1 1 into 2 x square and n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 1 into 2 into 3 into x cube. Okay students. Dear students, if x power 4 and higher power of x may be neglected, find the approximate value of 4th root of x square plus 81 minus 4th root of x square plus 61. Dear student, this is 81 plus x square whole power 1 by 4. After that students, x square plus 16. This is the 16 plus x square whole power 1 by 4. Dear students, now we are taking the common one is the 81. 1 plus x square by 81 whole power 1 by 4. This is also students, 16 is the common. 1 plus x square by 16 whole power 1 by 4. So this is 3 power 4. What is the student? This is 3 power 4. 4 cancel. This is 3. 1 plus x square by 81 whole power 1 by 4. Dear student, this is 2 power 4. This can be written as 2 power 4. 4 cancel. This is the students 2 into 1 plus x square by 16 whole power 1 by 4. My dear students, how can you write this is? Dear students, now this is we have to compare with 1 plus x whole power n. So dear student, this is we can written as undoubtedly. Dear students, what is that students? They are asking here the x power 4 and higher power of x is, okay students, neglected. So first you can write 1 plus nx 1 by 4 x square by 81. After that students, n into n minus 1 1 into 2 x square by 81 whole square. That is the students x power 4 is there. So we can neglecting the x power 4. So students, this is 1 plus nx. After that students, 1 plus x square by 16. How can you write this, student? This is 1 by 4 into x square by 16. My dear students, we can written as after the term is 1 plus nx, after that n into n minus 1, 1 into 2, x square by 81 whole square, that is x power 4, this is also x power 4. Dear students, we can written as neglecting x power 4 and higher power of x. So students, this can be written as, how to write this one? So student, 3 ones are 3. This is 3 ones are 3. After them, dear students, x square. X square upon 4 into 27 minus 2 ones are 2 here. This is the students, 2 ones are 2. Therefore, now this is 2 ones are 2 twos are x square by. My dear students, how can you write this is minus of x square by 2 ones are 2 minus of x square by, what is that one? 32. That is the students 32. My dear student, 3 minus 2 is the 1. Now we are taking the LCM is 4 into 27. That is the students, undoubtedly it is 8. 4 2s are 8, 108 into 32. So dear students, this is a 32x square minus 108 x square. This is the students, undoubtedly, what is the students? 108. 108 minus 32. This is the students, 76 x square upon 108 into 32. Dear students, now is divided by 4. This is the students divided by 8. 8 4s are 8 1s are 8 2s are. What is the students? 8 1s are 8 1s are 8 2s are. So first 4 1s are, sorry students, this is 4 1s are 4, 36, 4 9s are. This is 1 minus, okay student, this is what? 4 1s are 4 9s are. Okay students, this is 4 8s are. Okay students, now this is 19x square by, undoubtedly students, 4 9s are, this is 4 8s are, undoubtedly 8 8s are 64, 864. 1 minus 19x square by 864 is the required answer. Here we observe we are taking only 1 plus nx. This is also 1 plus nx. After that we got x power 4 times, but they are given that x power 4 and higher power of x be neglected. Okay students, write down. Now students, x square and higher power of x may be neglected. Then prove that root of 4 plus x, the left hand side is there. 4 plus x whole power 1 by 2. After that students, the 8 plus x whole power 1 by 3. Dear students, this is 1 plus 2x. After that students, my dear students, just you can observe students, this is what? 1 minus x whole power minus n. The first term is the students 1 plus nx. Nx is the students 2x upon 3. Dear students, we are taking after that, here this is n into n plus 1, 1 into 2 x square is there, but we are neglecting, undoubtedly, the neglecting x square and higher power of x. Higher power of x. Okay students. Now this is what students? How can you write this is, my dear students? First we take 4. That is 1 plus x by 4 whole power 1 by 2. This is whole power 1 by 2. Is it clear students? After that plus 8 is the common. 1 plus x by 8 whole power 1 by 3. This is also 1 by 3. Okay students, my dear students, right now we observe what is there students. The 1 plus 2x between there was given here plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x whole power minus 1 by 3. Dear students, the 1 plus 1 is the 2. After that, this is the students 3 2s are 6x plus 2x 8x by 3. So dear students, right now this is undoubtedly this is the 2. 2 square 2 2 cancel. This is, my dear students, 1 plus nx. That is the students 1 plus nx. x1 are x by 8. So student, this is the 2 cube, again 2. Then it will be the students 1 plus nx. That is x by 24. So dear students, this is 2 is the common students. 1 plus 4x by 3. My dear students, here we can written as 1 plus nx. Here also 1 plus nx, since we can written as neglecting x square and higher power of x. So students, these are cancelled. Now student, this is 1 plus 1 2. What is the students? 1 plus 1 2. After that students, is there LCM 24. So this is 8 3s are 3x plus x 4x by 24. So this is what students? 1 minus 4x by 3 whole power minus 1. So students, right now we observed this is 2 plus, dear students, this is the 2 plus x by 4 1 jar 4 6 jar. After that students, we can written as, how can you write this is 1 plus 4x by 3. This is minus of minus plus. So dear students, we are neglecting the remaining terms. Minus of minus plus, this is 1 plus 4x. The remaining terms are x square and x cube terms can be neglected. We can written as the students neglecting x square and higher power of x. So students, how can you write this is 2 1 jar 2. 2 4 jar 8x by 3. After then students, 2 1 jar 2, 2 4 jar 8. This is what students? X by 6. This is the students x into x square, neglecting x square term. Okay students, now this is what? 2 plus, dear students, how can you write this is the students? Just 1 minute students. Dear students, what we observe student, this is 1 plus 1 2. This is the students 8 3s are 3x plus x 4x by 24. This is the 1 plus, dear student, 1 plus 4x whole power 1 plus 1 is standing at the side minus 1. Dear students, this is 2 plus, how can you write this is the students x by 6. After then 1 nx minus of nx. This is the nx. So students, 2 1 jar 2, this is minus. After then students, we can observe this is x by 6, x into x square, then neglecting x square. So students, how can you write the student, this is LCM. What is the LCM is the students here, 6 is the LCM. Now this is 6 LCM, 6 2 jar 12, 6 2 jar is the 12. Dear students, now this is what? Undoubtedly, this is the student 16x, 3 2s are, that is the 8 2s are 16x. After that student, this is the x. So what student, this is 12 minus 15x by 6. So students, when we are taking the common 3, 3 4 jar, 3 5 jar by 6, 3 1 jar, 3 2 jar. This is the right hand side. Is it clear students? 4 minus 5x by 2 is there. Just we take the common 3. 3 4s are, 3 5s are. After that 3 1s are, 3 2s are. Therefore 4 minus 5x by 2 is the right hand side. So dear students, now we can written as 4 plus x whole power 1 by 2, 8 plus x whole power 1 by 3. This is 1 minus 2x whole power minus 1 by 3. So students, 1 plus 2x minus of minus plus. So dear students, 1 plus 1 is the 2. This is the 8x by 3. So dear student, this is the 2, this is again 2. Now we have 2. 2 is the common. Therefore 1 plus 1. Again that is 2. This is LCM is the 24. 8 3 the 3x plus x. 4x by 24. Dear student, plus 1 is the minus 1. When you are sending to the numerator. This is again 1 minus nx. After the x square and remaining, higher power of x be neglected. So students, first you have to multiply with 2. After that x by 6. The x square term is neglected. So we are taking the LCM 6. Then we got 4 minus 5x by 2. Okay students, write down. Dear students, C is small compared to L, then so that L by L plus C whole power 1 by 2 plus L by L minus C whole power 1 by 2, that is 2 plus 3C square by 4L square. Dear student, the left hand side, C is small. Therefore student, this can be written as 1 upon numerator and denominator are divided by L. So L by L 1, C by L. Since students, this is given that C is small when compared to L, that means C by L. This one means x is always mod x is less than 1. So students, C by L right now less than 1. Whole power 1 by 2. So dear students, this is also 1 upon 1 minus C by L whole power 1 by 2. So dear students, 1 plus C by L whole power minus 1 by 2. 1 minus C by L whole power minus of 1 by 2. So students, here given that up to C square term, dear students, undoubtedly we can written as 1 minus of 1 by 2 nx, that is C by L. Dear students, after then plus minus plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1, this is n into n plus 1 upon 1 into 2, C by L whole square, and so on. Dear student, this is what? Minus of minus plus 1 by 2 C by L. After then plus, this formula complete positive sign. Therefore students, the power is here, the minus is there. We can written as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 into 2. That is C by L whole square. So students, right now these two are cancelled. My dear students, the 1 plus 1 is the 2. What is the students? 1 plus 1 is the 2. So students, we can written as this is 2 1 are 2. 2 plus 1 3. That is a 3 by 8 C square by L square. Okay students, after that what is there students? Undoubtedly, that is also dear students, this is also 2 1 are 2. 3 by 8. The 3 by 8 C square by L square. So students, 3C square, 3C square, 6C square by 8L square. So student, that is 2 plus 6C square by 8L square. How to write the students? This is undoubtedly the 2 plus 3L square, 3C square by 4L square. What is the students? 3 by 8, 3 by 8. That is the students, 3 by 8, 3 by 8 is the 6 by 8, that is 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 plus 3C square by 4L square. Okay students, write down. So first of all, we are divided by L numerator and denominator. This will be completely silent reciprocal of this one, that is minus 1 by 2. This is also reciprocal. This is complete form 1 plus that is completely 1 plus nx, n into n plus 1 by 1 into 2 x square, and so on. This is 1 minus nx plus 2 minus. Therefore, n into n plus 1 into 2 c square by l square. Okay, students, write down. Find the approximate value. Dear students, find the approximate value of 1 by cube root of 999. Okay, students, corrected to 5 decimal places. So this is 1 by cube root of 999. So dear student, this is 999 whole power minus 1 by 3. Okay, students, this is 1000 minus 1 whole power minus 1 by 3. So students, 1000 is the common. 1 minus 1 by 1000 whole power minus 1 by 3. This is also whole power minus 1 by 3. This is the students 10 cube. 10 cube. Yes. This is 1 by 10. Dear students, how can you write this is 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1000 nx. After that, students, this is the x, this is n. After that, 1 by 3 n into n plus 1 upon 1 into 2 1 by 1000 whole square, and so on. Is it clear, students? Now this is the students, the 1 by 10. After that, 1 plus 1 by 3 is the student. First you can take point, that is 10. 3 3s are, and so on. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So dear students, we are taking, this is the 1000. Okay, students. My dear students, undoubtedly the next one is, what is the student? This is 3 1 4. 4 by, dear student, this is 3 1 3. 4 by 9. So undoubtedly, students, this is 2 by 9. 1 by 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, students. Now this is what? 1 by 10. 1 plus, you can write 0.123. So 1 2 3 4 5. Dear students, when we are multiple with, suppose students, when we are multiple with how many, what is the meaning, students? When we are multiple with, suppose, so we are taking 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. Suppose students, when we are multiple with 1000. So dear students, undoubtedly this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So dear students, 1000 1 2 3. Is it clear, students? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So when we are multiple with 1000 with the numerator and denominator, undoubtedly, students, so is there how many decimals are there, students? When we are multiple with 1000, so dear students, how many decimals are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 9 is there. So dear students, undoubtedly 1 2 3, these are the 6. This is the undoubtedly, students, number of 3's are 6. So students, now we can recognize this is what? My dear students, when you observe, dear students, 2 by 9, 2 by 9, that is a point. 6.20 is there. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. So student, this is again 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay students, after that top 1 2 3 4 5 6. Dear students, and so on is there. So this is what students, 1 by 10 1 plus 0.123. You can take at least 3. After that students, this is what plus, my dear students, 0.1 2 3 4 5 6. This is, suppose we are taking the students like this. So dear students, now adding this 0.000333 1 2 3 4 5 6 2. This is the students. How can you write? 00332. This is when you can take. This is 5. Okay students, my dear students, right now we are taking up to 5 decimals. This is the students, undoubtedly this is what 1 you can add in 1 plus 0.0033. 3 is there upon 10. So dear students, when it is divided by 10, undoubtedly students, we got 0.10033. So we are taking the only 5 decimals. 1 2 3 4 5. So what is there students? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So up to this is the answer. Only corrected 5 decimal places. 0.1. What is the student? 0.10003. This is the correct answer. So we corrected up to 5 decimal places. So students, how to write this is 1000. This is, suppose 99 is there. Undoubtedly they given that root of 99. Here is given that root of 999. That is 1000 minus 1. 1000 is the common. After that students, 1 plus nx. N into n plus 1, 1 into 2 x square. Those are enough. So after simplification we got 0.10003. Okay students, write down. Okay students, find the approximate value of 5th root 242. So students, the 5th root 242. 242 whole power 1 by 5. This is the students 243 minus 1 whole power 1 by 5. So students, 243 is the common. Undoubtedly students, how to write this is 243 is the common students. That is 243 1 minus 243 whole power 5. This is also whole power 1 by 5. This is the students 3 power 5, 5 cancel 3. This is 1 minus of nx. 1 by 5, 1 by 243. Okay. One minus mx, 1 by 5 into 243. After then 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 minus 1, 1 into 2, that is 1 by 243 whole square. So students, this is what students, 3 into 1 minus of 1 by 243. What is the value 1 by 243? Dear students, the 1 by 243 is, this is what students? Direct value. The 1 by 243 is the value 0.00415. upon 5 is there. Dear students, right now, here we observe, this is also 2 zeros are there. Undoubtedly, when the whole square must be 4 zeros are getting. So students, that can be neglected. Okay students, right now the 3 into 1 minus half. Dear students, 1 minus half. This is 0.0000082. Okay students, 823. Okay students, now this is minus 1. Okay students, the 3 into 0. What is the students? 0.99917. Okay students, this is into 3. Undoubtedly students, the 2.9975. What is the students? Approximately equal to 2.9975. 99753 is there. Corrected to 4 decimals, 4 decimal places. What is given that students? 4 decimal places. That is the student, the 4 decimal places is the students 2.9975. That is the required solution. Okay students. Okay students, this is today's students. All of you practice the similar models based on the approximations. So dear student, this weekend also binomial theorem, both JEE mains and advanced. All of you practice the previous JEE mains questions also. Okay students, thank you all.